Have you noticed lavender everywhere lately? That gentle wave of purple taking over your social media feeds. It's popping up in everything from dreamy lattes to do-it-yourself home remedies on TikTok. This isn't just a fleeting trend. This is lavender. So much more than a pretty flower. A powerhouse of natural wellness whispered about for centuries. Many people think of it simply as a nice smell for soaps and candles. But what if this humble plant holds the key to a calmer, healthier, more balanced life? We're about to explore 7 powerful ways lavender can transform your life. Forget what you thought you knew. You'll see lavender not just as a flower. Let's peel back the layers and reveal the first hidden talent. Let's start with one of the most celebrated secrets of lavender, its ability to guide you into a peaceful slumber. We'll call this our first remedy, the dream weaver. So many of us struggle to quiet our minds at night. We toss and turn. Instead of scrolling, tuck a few drops of lavender oil onto a small cloth and place it inside your pillowcase. As you lay your head down, you inhale the soft aroma. Your breathing slows. Your muscles relax. The worries of the day gently float away. Reclaim your nights and wake up refreshed. Now, for our second revelation. Lavender can also be your go-to for soothing a throbbing headache. This is our second remedy, the headache soother. Instead of immediately reaching for a pill, consider lavender. It has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Here's a simple story. She was stuck in traffic and felt a tension headache building. Remembering a tiny bottle of lavender oil, she dabbed a small amount onto her temples and neck and inhaled deeply. Within minutes, the tightness eased, a moment of pure, simple relief. Now let's unveil the third powerful secret of lavender. I like to call this the skin savior. Our skin is our body's largest organ. From bug bites and minor burns to scrapes, our skin frequently calls for help. Lavender has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, a gentle first responder. Let's talk about our fifth remedy, the bug buster. Moths, flies, mosquitoes. Many insects are repelled by lavender's scent. It's a trick our grandmothers used. Place dried lavender sachets in drawers and closets. You'll be greeted by a soft floral scent and fewer nibbled sweaters. For outdoor protection, mix lavender essential oil with water and witch hazel in a spray bottle. Spray lightly for a delightful, chemical-free way to keep bugs at bay. Now, our sixth remedy, the fresh scent maker. We all know that moment when a room just doesn't smell right. Maybe it's last night's dinner or a musty corner. But what if you could transform that space with something natural and refreshing? Instead of synthetic air fresheners, lavender naturally neutralizes odors and brings a gentle, floral freshness to your home. Add 10-15 drops of lavender to a cup of baking soda, mix and let infuse. Sprinkle on carpets, wait 20 minutes, then vacuum. Your room will smell subtly of lavender. Our final secret takes us to a delightful place, the kitchen. This is the flavor enhancer. Culinary lavender has a sweet, floral taste with hints of citrus and mint. Use sparingly. Infuse simple syrup with a few buds for lavender lemonade. Subtle, elegant, and calming. We've journeyed through 7 incredible secrets of lavender. Sleep, soothe, save skin, calm the mind, shoo bugs, freshen home, and flavor food. The real beauty of lavender lies in its accessibility. You don't need to be an expert to start. Start with one small change. Tuck a sachet into your pillow tonight or mix a simple lavender and coconut oil blend. The journey begins with a single step, a single drop, or a single bud. Let lavender be your key to better sleep, calmer days, healthier skin, and a more beautiful natural life. Go ahead. Try one remedy tonight. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and tell us which lavender trick you'll try first. Your gorgeously green lavender story starts now.